the Poilates. We'll face this way, right arm up, left arm down, and let's go backwards first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now let's reverse forward and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So starting from here, we'll go out to the front. So we go up, then go out to the side, then cross over the body all the way, then back to the front, and then down. Then up, cross the body, back to the side, to the front, and then down. And then we go the other way again. Up, out to the side, cross the body, back to the front, down, up, cross the body, out to the side, to the front, down. And last one, up, out to the side, cross the body, come to the front, down, and let's switch arms. This side, here we go, up, and in, cross the body, out to the side, back to the front, and down, and up, and out to the side, cross the body, come to the front, and down, and up, cross the body, out to the side, to the front, and down, and up, out to the side, cross the body, come to the front, down, and last set, up, cross the body, out to the side, come to the front, and down. So right arm up. We'll go forward first this time. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, reverse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Let's start in overhand circles. So we're not doing like static ones, we're doing just small circles in together time. So going forward, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and now split time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now reverse together time, backwards. So 1, 2, like underhand, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now split time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Woo! Here we go, right up. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and let's reverse to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo!